quality coat as the weather feels crispy, cold and wintry. So thought to take good advantage of this weekend and shop something for this winter. So I'll be taking you guys along with me. So let's shop and hang out together.
Say your voice out, baby, but you never answer.
Brown section, not all of the pieces are brown, but this brown looks kind of chocolatey brown. I love them. I recently shopped from H&M and seems like I can get enough of browns. So these are, I think, high neck collar, comes 1790. Comes with a matching parallel trousers. Blouse looks lovely in satin fabric, I think, not sure. I mean, I'm so obsessed with everything brown and I cannot have them enough. This one very similar to what I'm wearing at the moment from H&M. If you have not watched my H&M haul video already, link in the description, go try watching that out. You may love the pieces if you like brown or look at these trousers. I'm not sure what color they are. I think they are very close to purple shades. Yeah, shades of purple. I'm not sure, or could be maroon, but looks really nice. I have recently, again, if you have watched my recent H&M haul, you may know that I have already picked up some not, I mean, one pair of trousers in the shades of brown, and I like them too, but no, I'm not picking them up as I already bought one pair, and I prefer to buy only the pieces that I would love wearing. I can repeat.
You belong. Anywhere you said, anywhere you said, anywhere.
The color looks so nice, very close to yellowish, or anyhow, I think they are brown shades, so looks really nice. They have paper or leather patch at the back, which is really nice, that I really look for any trousers or jeans, like you may already know that, and really love them. Oh my gosh, the color is really nice. If I have not bought the recent pair from H&M, I might have picked them up. Anyways, let's not get distracted with what we already have, like all the brown pieces. Rather, we should do first thing first. Let me find something from their coats, as I initially want to buy something from their coats, hence why we have come here. So let me find something from their coats, something good quality that I can buy, as the weather, the temperature feels cold and wintry, so seems like I cannot wait for their sale and have to buy right now. Even I will try finding or making my hands during their sale too, but at this moment I cannot seem to wait for their sale, so have to buy a good quality coat. So let me find something that I would love. Seems like I found something in the color brown. Oh my gosh, I'm so stunned. Look at these coats. These are something that I really wanted to buy. Let me check their prices. Oh my gosh, it's so expensive. 10,990, almost 11k. I'm not finding anything else in cheaper or that are not that expensive, something inexpensive. So I think I have no alternative at this moment, so I will have to pick this one, color shades. comes not that in closer to, not that close to camel, but shades of light brown, which is not that bad. So I will have to find my size. This is how the color looks like. As you can see, the both shades are different, really very different. Like what I'm wearing, really very close to chocolate browns. Not close, these are chocolate browns, and this seems like very light brown or kind of deep beige. I'm not sure what would you call that. I would say deep beige. Let me show you my outfit. This is what I'm wearing. If you have watched my H&M haul, recent H&M haul, you may know the pieces. Both my leggings and my sweatshirt, both are from H&M, and I love them. Love how flattering they make me look. So pretty. I'm so obsessed. So
Anywhere you go, anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
So we are at the main section right now. As I was looking something in coat section, and seems like I have found the brown coat. So let me see. The price 7,990, almost 8K. So it's better than 11K. So let me see if I can find my size. And extra small or small might help. I'm not sure if I should pick from men's section, but as I couldn't find anything in the shades of brown from women's section except that 11K coat, so hence why I'm here to find if anything a bit cheaper than 11K. And seems like I found one, just have to find my size. So this is what I have brought with me in the entire room. This coat that I was talking about with you, almost 11K, 10,990. So expensive. Took this one to try along with this coat, an extra small. Found this one from men's section. It's 7,990, almost 8K. And these trousers or jeans that I really loved. I know I recently picked one from H&M, very similar one, but yet I picked it up to try. Let's see if I like them. You guys, so this is how the coat looks on me. Oh my gosh, I'm so stunned. You see it? So pretty. I mean, it's so heavy and so thick. Like it's literally I can feel the weight. It's literally so weighty. Boy, it's so weighty. And this is how the length goes, almost coming to my ankle length, which is a good completely covering my entire body, which is good. And if I come to the quality, seems like really great quality, and when it's Zara you cannot complain about quality. So good, so thick, and the sleeves are even nice on me. Like as you can see, I'm so obsessed and so happy with this coat, but only disappointment is that it looks a bit beige, not really brown or what do you call it, not close to camel that I actually love. And I initially had a thought that I would pick something in the color brown that is close to really very camel colors or deep brown, but seems like they are running out. Kind of crisis on coats on either section, like on men's section and women's section, both section. I hardly found coats in brown, like as you have seen that. So I'm not sure, and it looks like really big on me. Like as you can see, not even if I put my it's hard to do by one hand, but it's look really big. If you can imagine taking it this way, really big on me, even though I'm wearing my regular size small. So I'm not sure if I should pick an extra small, a size smaller. Might be helpful, might make more sense. I'm not sure, just kind of trying to make my mind. What should I do? Should I pick the extra small or should I keep this regular one? Like I said, I'm not happy with the color, but quality wise it's really nice, really great quality, not itchy. Fabric is really soft and thick and heavy, like I can feel the weight like I said earlier. So nice, so obsessed. And comparing to price, this has to be worth picking. This is double breasted, like as you can see, and like I showed, this is how it goes on me, almost very close to my ankles. Love the length, love the piece, so nice. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed, loving it. And I think it has shoulder pads on both shoulders, which is good too, so it will hold the structure, not like that it will get baggy when you wear the. Should I pick extra small or should I pick my regular size? Not sure. If I say we don't get that much of cold temperature, so I won't be wearing any extra layerings, any crazy layerings underneath my coat, I think I can go with an extra small. That won't hurt, I mean that won't be an issue. I'm not sure, I'm just kind of trying to make my mind with. I think I should better stick to my regular size, because if I go to somewhere cold, then I might get myself into a trouble that if I wear any extra layerings underneath, then in that case coat might not help, I mean might not fit me nicely. So it would be wise if I pick my regular size or even one size larger, but not one size smaller. So let's just try the other one that I picked from men's section and I get you. Alright, so wearing it from men's section that I picked, since its price is a bit better, I mean 7,990 like I showed you. So, and this is how the coat fits me lengthwise. It's really nice, I think better than the previous one I picked, just around my knees, which is great because that was really long on me comparing to this one, and I really love it. The pockets are really nice and wide. It's not double breasted though, but seems really nice quality wise both are same. I can't seem to make any difference between them. Both are really seems to be same, and yeah, loving it. Love the fit. I picked up an extra small. Does not look that bad. What do you guys think? I'm really obsessed with both pieces, but if I come to price and size and the fitting and like color, especially the color is more deeper than the one on my back. Like as you can see, it's I'm not sure if you can see or make the difference on camera, but in person I can see the difference. It's bit deep color, deep brown, or close to camel, not that one like I said that goes to beige color, but this one really very quite close to camel or deep brown, the shades that I initially wanted to pick. So thinking like making my mind for this one, not that one. So what do you guys think? Should I pick? I definitely go for my regular size small, not the extra small. Like I said that if I go somewhere very cold, then I cannot put layerings underneath. So keeping that in mind, I should stick with my regular size. It looks really good. I'm so happy with the piece. Love the pockets, not like flat with flaps. This one like this one comes with this kind of pockets with a flap. In fact I like the pockets also from this coat. Okay, one negative point that it doesn't have any shoulder pads, so this might look baggy or slouchy at some times when I end up wearing some layerings underneath, or not sure at this moment. Yeah, see the difference if I close my arms around my body or chest. Like this is how it looks. A bit bagginess it has, I would say. I think I have already kind of made my mind that I'm picking this one instead of that one here, as I like everything. The length is really nice, just around my knees. Like I said, the pockets are nice. Here's the one in the color grey, which I really didn't like, but wanted to try to see if it goes, I mean how it goes on me. This is how it goes. Not really my vibes. Lengthwise, it's really nice. It doesn't have any shoulder pads and really inexpensive, only 2990. So keeping that in mind, I might have picked it up if I could have managed that brown shade, but since they don't have that, I picked up grey just to check how it fits me, how it looks in person. And seems like not that bad, just not my color, not what I was looking for. So definitely a no for me. Otherwise the piece is really nice, I need not to say, really good quality and inexpensive, really cheap one from Zara, and it's the same design from their past year collection, so not much to say, just wanted to try the grey one, hence picked up. And here's how it looks with my brown outfit. Here's how the trousers look in the track room. They look really nice, and I have picked up the size. What size is it? It's I think it's US 4 36. Let me hold it properly so I can see with you. It's 36 US 4. So this is how the trouser looks. I really love how they fit me. This is how the length on my waist, they fit there quite nicely. They are fitting, yeah, love the fit, fitting me really nicely. And I picked up, the reason is that they come with leather patch at the back, which is totally my vibe. And like, if you have been following me for a while now, you might know that I love any pair of jeans or trousers that come with leather patch at the back or paper patch. And since they come with a leather patch, I'm not sure if you can see that nicely on camera, but I love them. They fit me really nicely, color is nice too, but the length is bit disappointing. Like, as you can see, it's they are crossing my ankles, my feet here. This is how they are crossing, I mean way too long than my height, which is really chocolate brown shades, and this kind of really close to yellowish brown, and looks really nice, fits me nicely. They are stunning, amazing piece if you want to pick them up, but for me the length is really not my length. If I pick them up, I will have to alter them, and that I don't want to go through. So definitely no, I'm not picking them up other than that. So yeah, these are the pieces that I picked up. Have some quick lunch here. Okay, so I'm starting with this one, peri peri rice. Let me test it and I will tell you how much I like it, how is the taste. I'm not a foodie, cannot give you a good feedback on this, but at least I can overall taste it and tell you how is the taste.
Anywhere you go, give it all. Anywhere you say.
I'm just trying my best that I don't make my outfit dirty. Alright you guys, so finally got back home. Oh, my bag. Okay. I just could not make it hold. Let me put back my bag and show you what I got. As you may already know, so this is what I got. You already know that. Nothing extra because it's way too expensive. So that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed, hanging out with me and shopping in Zara, this coat and everything. If you did, please be sure to subscribe my channel. If you have not already yet, turn on that notification bell icon to get notified on all of my new uploads. And if you like this kind of vlogs, like come shop with me in Zara. So, let me know in the comment section below. And with that being said, thank you so much making to the end of this video, and I catch you on my next episode. Bye.